In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an item from Registry. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so your registry stays neat and accurate. First, open Etsy in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the registry you want to manage. Being signed in ensures you can access the right controls. From the Etsy homepage, look for the registry option. It's usually in the site's main navigation. Clicking that will take you to the area where your gift lists live. Next, choose Manage Your Registry. This brings up the management view where you can edit items. Before you go any further, double-check you're in the correct registry, especially if you have more than one list. Look at the registry title and details to confirm you're editing the right place. This quick check helps avoid removing the wrong item from a different event or list. Once you're in the management view, find the item you want to remove. Move your cursor over the item's thumbnail. When you hover, you'll see an edit icon appear, often shown as a small pencil or similar symbol. Click that edit icon. This action opens a panel on the left side of the screen, giving you more options for that specific item. In the panel, look for the option that says, Remove from my registry. Click it to start the removal process. Etsy will ask you to confirm, which is a helpful safeguard. When the prompt appears, click Yes, Remove. After you confirm, the item is taken off your registry. Give the page a moment to update. The item should disappear from your list. If you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh can help. Keep in mind that removing an item is immediate and the item won't be visible to people browsing your registry anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can add the product back later by returning to its product page and adding it to your registry again. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the edit icon when hovering, make sure you're on the Manage view and not just viewing the public version of your registry. Also, using a desktop browser gives you the most consistent experience for editing. If the registry option isn't visible in your navigation, try checking the main menu or switching from the app to a desktop browser. That's it. You've successfully removed an item from your Etsy registry. Thanks for watching, and keep your registry tidy by revisiting it periodically to remove items you no longer need.